Push-ups are one of the simplest, most effective exercises out there. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is your own body weight and some determination. But have you ever wondered what really happens to your body if you do 20 push-ups every single day? Let's break it down step by step. When you start doing push-ups, the first thing you'll notice is an immediate boost in your energy. Your blood starts pumping faster, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Even after just one session, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and a slight increase in strength. Push-ups are primarily a strength exercise. They target your chest muscles, shoulders, and triceps. By doing 20 push-ups daily, you're consistently building strength in your upper body. Over time, you'll notice your arms getting more toned, your chest becoming firmer, and your shoulders looking broader. Did you know that push-ups are also a fantastic core workout? To maintain proper form, your abs and lower back stay engaged throughout the movement. This helps you build a stronger, more stable core, which improves posture and balance. When you do push-ups, your heart works harder to pump blood to your muscles. This improves cardiovascular health over time, lowering your risk of heart disease. Doing 20 push-ups may seem small, but consistency makes a big difference. Push-ups are a great calorie-burning exercise. While 20 push-ups won't burn hundreds of calories, they're a step towards staying active, which helps manage your weight. Combine this with a healthy diet, and you're on the right track. Exercising releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones. By committing to just 20 push-ups a day, you're setting a small but powerful habit that boosts your mood, reduces stress, and builds mental toughness. If you stick to 20 push-ups every day, here's what you can expect in a month. Improved muscle tone in your upper body. Better endurance. You'll feel less tired when doing other activities. Enhanced posture and core stability. Increased confidence in your physical abilities. To get the most out of your push-ups, focus on proper form. Keep your back straight and core tight. Lower your body until your chest is just above the ground. Push back up in a controlled motion. As you get stronger, try different variations like diamond push-ups or incline push-ups to target different muscles. Remember, the key to fitness is consistency. 20 push-ups a day might seem small, but over weeks and months, it builds strength, endurance, and confidence. So, why not start today? Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to stay healthy and fit. See you in the next video.